My name is Livia O'Brien. I'm the founder and president of SoCo, a creative design studio and cut and sew manufacturing facility here in Asheville, North Carolina. Our mission is really about the preservation of skill. What we're trying to do is be a part of a new model for textile production and allow folks to really have a creative voice in the process and to feel like they're part of a revitalized industry here in North Carolina.
My name is Lee Hilbert, and I am the development director. So East Fork is kind of one of our favorite clients. We did the bowl covers this year. We did a really special kind of production for these tablecloths. They had been looking for some kind of classic quilting style, traditional Appalachian, a little bit of top stitching, a nice hem on those. We also worked on an apron for East Fork. It's a denim, really wide pocket across the front. And we did a really adorable kids apron with a gingham pocket.